Have you ever wondered what really changes when you strike it rich? It's not just about fancy cars and luxurious vacations. In this eye-opening video, we'll reveal 15 surprising transformations that occur when wealth enters your life. From unexpected shifts in your social circle to profound changes in your personal values, these revelations will challenge everything you thought you knew about being rich. If you don't watch this video, you might be blindsided by these changes when they happen to you. We'll even expose the shocking truth about how wealth impacts your relationships and sense of self. Don't miss out on these crucial insights. Subscribe now to ensure you're prepared for the realities of wealth. 1. The social circle shakeup, when your friends list gets a makeover. As your wealth grows, you may be surprised to find your social circle dramatically changing. Old friends might drift away as your lifestyles and goals diverge, while new connections form with those who share your new experiences and challenges. Take Mark Zuckerberg, for example, whose closest confidants shifted from college roommates to fellow tech moguls and philanthropists as his wealth and influence grew. 2. The gourmet awakening, when your taste buds get an upgrade. Wealth often brings a newfound appreciation for fine dining and nutrition. You might find yourself trading fast food for farm-to-table experiences and developing a sophisticated palate. Consider how Oprah Winfrey's relationship with food evolved, from her humble beginnings to becoming a major investor in health-focused food companies and even starting her own organic food line. 3. Home Sweet Mansion, when your living space becomes a sanctuary. With wealth comes the ability to transform your living space from a mere shelter to a personalized haven. Your home becomes a reflection of your success and a place of comfort and inspiration. Look at Bill Gates' $127 million complex, complete with a trampoline room and a library with a dome reading area, showcasing how wealth can turn a house into a tailored sanctuary. 4. The makeover miracle, when your appearance gets a high-end overhaul. Wealth often brings access to top-tier fashion, skincare, and even cosmetic procedures. This transformation can be dramatic, as seen in the evolution of celebrities like Kylie Jenner, whose appearance changed significantly with her increasing wealth, from makeup techniques to high-end fashion choices. 5. The growth mindset. Revolution, when personal development becomes your new obsession. With financial stability comes the luxury of time and resources to invest in personal growth. You might find yourself devouring self-help books, attending exclusive seminars, or hiring personal coaches. Take Tony Robbins, who went from a janitor to a world-renowned life coach and author, embodying the personal development journey that wealth can fuel. 6. Vacation elevation, when your holidays go from budget to baller. Wealth transforms your vacation experiences from budget-friendly local trips to exotic luxury getaways. You might find yourself choosing between private islands rather than all-inclusive resorts. Consider Richard Branson, who went from backpacking to owning his private island, Necker Island, where he hosts exclusive retreats for fellow entrepreneurs and celebrities. 7. The transportation transformation, when time becomes your most valuable asset. As your wealth grows, so does the value of your time. You might transition from public transport to private jets to maximize efficiency. Elon Musk, for instance, famously uses his private jet for quick trips between Tesla facilities, demonstrating how wealth can revolutionize travel for the sake of productivity. 8. The VIP treatment, when the world rolls out the red carpet. Wealth often brings a noticeable change in how people treat you. From priority service to exclusive access, the world seems to open up. Consider how tech billionaire Mark Cuban experiences this, receiving VIP treatment at Dallas Mavericks games, a team he owns, and in various business settings. 9. The target on your back, when success attracts unwanted attention. With great wealth comes great responsibility, and often unwanted attention. You might find yourself dealing with frivolous lawsuits or people from your past seeking handouts. J.K. Rowling, for instance, has faced numerous legal challenges and copyright claims since becoming one of the world's wealthiest authors. 10. The approval liberation, when you stop seeking others' validation. Achieving wealth often brings a newfound sense of self-assurance. You no longer need others' approval to validate your choices or worth. Take Steve Jobs, who, after achieving success with Apple, famously followed his vision despite critics, leading to revolutionary products like the iPhone. 11. The goalpost shift. When your aspirations reach new heights. Once you achieve your initial financial goals, you'll likely find your ambitions expanding exponentially. Your focus might shift from personal wealth to global impact. Consider how Bill Gates transitioned from building Microsoft to tackling global health issues through the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. 12. The happiness paradox. When joy returns to the simple things. Ironically, after achieving wealth, many find joy in life's simpler pleasures again. Warren Buffett, one of the world's wealthiest individuals, is known for his modest lifestyle and finding happiness in simple things like playing bridge and drinking Coca-Cola. 13. The value shift. When priorities take an unexpected turn. Wealth often leads to a re-evaluation of what truly matters in life. Material possessions may lose their allure, replaced by experiences and relationships. Take Mark Zuckerberg's pledge to give away 99% of his Facebook shares, showing how wealth can shift focus from accumulation to impact. 14. The impact imperative. When your decisions shape the world. With great wealth comes the power to influence change on a larger scale. You might find yourself contemplating your legacy and how to use your resources for good. Look at Mackenzie Scott, who, after her divorce from Jeff Bezos, committed to giving away her fortune to various causes, demonstrating how wealth can fuel large-scale philanthropy. 15. The freedom revelation. When you discover true liberation. True wealth brings the freedom to pursue your passions without financial constraints. This might mean starting passion projects or dedicating time to causes you care about. Consider how George Clooney balances his acting career with political activism and humanitarian work, showcasing the freedom wealth provides to follow one's convictions. If you're intrigued by the prospect of a life transformed by wealth, your journey is just beginning. Our previous videos delve deeper into the strategies and mindset shifts necessary to achieve this level of financial freedom. But be warned, the path to wealth is filled with surprising twists and unexpected revelations that may challenge everything you thought you knew about money and success. To continue your journey towards financial liberation and personal fulfillment, click the link in the description below. Your future wealthy self will thank you for taking this crucial step towards understanding the true nature of a life of abundance.